The Manomaya Kosha is filled by the Vijnanamaya Kosha. Center yourself in the Vijnanamaya Kosha, characterized by Ahankara and Buddhi. Ahankara is the sense of I-ness and myness. Buddhi, assisted by the 5 sense organs, validates the knowledge acquired by Manas. It becomes Vijnana, wisdom. Buddhi is characterized by discrimination, certitude and decision making. It has 2 powers, Jnana Shakti and Kriya Shakti. It has 2 functions. Assisted by faith, it acts in conformity with the truth and righteousness or dharma. Endowed with the power of concentration, it meditates. Both action and meditation result in Ananda, happiness. Ananda is the result of meditation and right action. Ananda is the soul or self of this Vijnanamaya Kosha. Meditate on this Vijnanamaya Kosha. Go deeper and enter the Anandamaya Kosha, which is permeated by joy, enjoyment, exhilaration and bliss. Your consciousness has reached its natural state. It is a state of purity, peace, love, bliss, harmony, truth, beauty and freedom. The source of this Ananda is Brahman, the Supreme Self, whose reflection you are. You are now with your inmost self. You are your true self, pure consciousness. Chidananda Rupa, Shivoham, Shivoham. You are in harmony with the nature, both inward and outward. Remain anchored in this state of bliss. Expand your consciousness in all directions. Generate and spread positive thoughts in all directions. Sarve bhavantu sukhina, sarve santu niramayaha, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Remain anchored in this state, the natural, original, perfect state, where you have purity, peace, love and bliss. There is also freedom. It is the most expansive and the most inclusive freedom. Everything gets merged and unified into a non-dual oneness, beyond form, beyond name, the pure essence. You have reached a new dimension of consciousness. You are in a stable, alert and joyful state. Enthusiasm flows into everything you say or do. You are part of the whole creation, connected to everyone and everything. You are one with the all-pervasive self. Remaining at this deepest spiritual level, you will exercise complete command on all the earlier selves at the level of the body, vital breath, the 5 organs of action and the 5 sense organs, manas and buddhi. You are the master of all the faculties within you. You can visualize yourself like a person seated in a chariot. Atmanam rathinam vidhi, shariram rathamevatu, buddhintu swarathim vidhi, manaha pragrahamevacha, indriyani hayanyahuhu, vishayansteshu gocharan, atmendriya manoyuktam, bhoktetyahur, Manishinaha. The body is the chariot. Buddhi is the charioteer. Manas is the bridle. The organs of action and perception are the horses. Your objectives are the way. Seated in this chariot and associated with Buddhi, Manas, organs of perception and organs of action, you are the enjoyer. You are making a journey to reach your goal, which is Abhyudaya, all-round comprehensive progress that includes success and achievement. You are transformed. You are completely awakened and know who you really are. You are consciousness, truth and bliss. In association with your Manas, Buddhi, organs of perception and organs of action, you are the doer and enjoyer. You have now discovered your true nature and the potential you have. Yoga karmasu kaushalam. Skillfulness in action is yoga. Awakened and empowered, proceed. Stop not till you realize your goal. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.